Hey there, this is video C29, C21. Sorry, combinations from several sets, part 1. Okay, and this brings it all together. Pretty much all these questions are going to use fundamental counting principle for sure, combinations for sure, and some of them with careful reading are going to require permutations at the end. So you have to be really careful because there's going to be all kinds of numbers and you're going to figure out where they go. And this is the plan. I'm thinking this is going to work for us all the time. So we're going to try it out. So you have to look at what sets you're given and make one blank for each set. So it starts out with the fundamental count. Then you do your choices. Now you'll fill in the combinations in the blanks, multiply, and this part becomes important. You need to arrange them, and if you do, then you permute. But that doesn't always happen. Let's try it. The main column. In a train yard, there are 4 tank cars, 12 box cars, and 7 flat cars. How many trains can you make consisting of 2 tank cars, 5 box cars, and 3 flat cars, if order of the cars doesn't matter? All right, so step 1. What sets are you given? One blank for each. So here's for my tank cars. And here is for my box cars. And here is for my flat cars. So far, so good, right? That's what we got. Now, we need to figure out our choices. So for our tanker cars, choices, combination, there are 4 tankers, and I have to choose 2 of them. I'm going to do that. There's just so many numbers in there. All right, now for box cars, I bet you can do it. There are 12 box cars to choose from, and I have to choose 5. Yeah? Okay. And so these are gone. Now we've got flat cars. There are 7 of them, and we have to choose 3. Now, remember last time I did this, I made the students work out each one of those individually. But then somebody pointed out, you know, you can just do it all at once. 4, choose 2 times 12, choose 5, times 7, choose 3. And there we go. 1, 6, 6, 2, 2, 0. So there are 166,320 different sets of boxcars we can arrange. Okay, so basically, boom, we put little tags. Let's imagine we put little tags on the ones we're going to pick. That's all we had to do. Done. Now, you have been, I don't know, you're the engineer now, and now you're going to have to put them in order to make the train. So it's going to be different if it's tank car, flat car, box cars, or box car, flat. You know what I mean. Order is going to matter. So what happens is, I'm going to do the whole question again, just to show you what it would look like. Instant replay. Does matter, doesn't matter. No. There. First part is exactly the same. Okay, so one blank for each type of each set. Now there was 4, choose 2. 4 tank cars, picking 2. 12 box cars, choosing 5. And 7, choose 3. And then this is the part now we have to figure out. Once we have the ones we picked, now we need to arrange them. And we have picked 2, 5, and 7, and 3 more. 10 factorial. So this part, picking cars. This part is the range in the train. And I'm just going to go 2, 5, plus 3. So that later on, people will know where these numbers came from. And that's 7, that's 10. All right. Whoops. There we go. How far over can I move that? All right, I don't feel like retyping this in. So you can just take this answer and times 10 factorial. Oh goodness, that is going to be a really big number. 6.04 times 10 to the 11. Yeah. Hold on while I adjust my lighting. See here? Okay. Sorry, I'm just terrible lighting today. Okay, how about y'all just trust me on that? But you can see the little bitty timestamp, 11th, and something just fell on the floor. Okay, well, I've got my hand to shake. Trying to get this, you can see it. Okay, so I rounded, so 6.035. So I just made it 6.04, where it comes from. And it's really hard to see, but it says times 10 there. That's my exponent times 10. And then there is an 11 there. That's where it comes from. See, there we go. Okay. Last question on the page. 12 boys are trying out for the basketball team, which consists of 1 center, 2 guards, and 2 forwards. I'm glad the question said that because I would have no idea. Only 2 boys can play center, 4 can play guards, and all 12 can play as forwards. How many ways can the coach assign a team? Now I'm going to use this word as being important. And I'm also thinking that if the coach is going to pick students, and he's going to pick these players, he's also going to put them in order. So once he picks his team, then he's going to make sure everybody gets to the right spot. Okay. So we have center, we have guards, and we have forwards. So center, guards, forwards. You have to be really careful. Times I'm going to put that on the end so I don't forget. Yeah, for centers, we need 1, and only 2 boys can play at center. So there's 2 boys, choose 1. Yeah, 4 can play as guards. That's going to be 4, choose. We only need 2. Now, here's the tricky part on this. We need 2 forwards. Now, how many should we put in there? I don't like 12. You know what? We have assigned 1, 2, 3 of them already, because there's only 12 boys in total. And 3 of them are here. There's 1, there's 2 more. So that should leave me 9 left to pick from. Okay. 12 minus 1 minus 2. Center. Guard. Yes. That's where that 9 comes from. And then how many, once we have those guys picked, we're going to arrange them. one I wish I had an answer to. I'm overthinking it. So let's fix this. Write that as pick. There. And we're done the question. So I changed that because it's like, okay, so once he starts to assign it, he's only got the one student that can play center. So there's only one. Yeah. It's crazy, crazy, crazy overthinking. So we'll just go pick a team and that solves it all. So calculator over there. Yeah. So 2, choose 1 times 4, choose 2 times 9, choose 2, 432. Okay. We're going to say that, but because it's bugging me now, times 1 for the center, because there's only one center, times 2 for the guards. I'm assuming there's like a left guard and a right guard, and you can put those. Somebody email me about basketball, I don't know. Times 2 for the forwards. I don't know. I think if I was doing a test, I would go there and I would stop and say, yep. Possibly write the teacher note code. I don't know enough about basketball to know whether there's a left or right forward as assigned. So y'all have a happy day. I hope you enjoyed this and that last question. And yeah, have a spectacular day. We are getting it done.